everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. I am really excited. So today, as you already know, I am opening All He Loves. This is the second time I have received this box. I actually got it last month and it was perfect because I received it when my parents were in town, so I was able to use it as a gift. So All He Loves is a men's lifestyle subscription and it is so good. I feel like us ladies, we have a lot of options out there for subscription boxes, but men, as far as I know, they don't have as many good options. So in my experience, this box is great. Last month was amazing, so let's see if this box is just as good. So just a little information, All He Loves. There are two different options available. There's the basic box, which costs $32 a month. And then there's an advanced box, which has a value, or has cost of $45 a month with a value greater than $70. You also have the option to get a one-time box for this subscription, which I think is a really good option, is to try something out. So yeah, and this ships to the US and Canada. And it always comes in this black box, at least in my experience. And this one is seriously like jam full. Like it is full of stuff. So I am super excited. So let's get unboxing because I really want to know what's in here. Oh, I should totally mention that I do have a discount code. If you want to save 10%, you can use the code KITTY10. I will leave that along with their link in the description box. So if you're interested in what you see, definitely take advantage of that code. I don't get anything from it. It's just for you, my subscribers, to save a little bit of money. Alright, so when I open it up, this is what I see. Like you can see, it's like seriously full of stuff. I'm trying not to drop anything out of it. So the theme this month is outdoor. So every month there's a theme, which is really cool. It says experience everything Mother Nature has to offer. So that is the photo. And on the back it talks about the stuff that comes inside along with their values. And there's just a little thing on top about the theme. So it says, spring is finally here, the sun comes out, the birds start singing, and being outside is the best feeling. Therefore, we are so excited to present to you the outdoor theme, aiming to encourage you to enjoy this perfect time of year. Spring is a great time. It's so like uplifting. It's so nice when things get nice and warm. Even though where I am, it's like always warm. But okay, underneath that card, this is what's inside. Like I said, it is totally packed. Let's get this big thing out of here. Mountain City Koala Tree. Is that what the brand's called? What is this? So Koala Tree Loafer Packable Hammock, cool. This is made out of 100% nylon, triple stitch seams. It can hold 450 pounds, wow. Packs into the pouch, which is here, ropes included. So the measurements are 106 inches by 55 inches and the weight is 13.4 ounces. That is so cool. So, let me read about what it says here. I'm not gonna like take it out because, like I said, I'm gonna gift this. I think this will make a great Father's Day gift already, even though I've only seen one thing. But this loafer hammock is $39. It says this hammock is such an adventure companion because it's extremely compact and ultra lightweight. It is, seriously, you can pack this easily. It's perfect for camping, backpacking, or travel. It's also convenient due to being packable and easy to hang up. It comes with 2 ropes and carbines to secure your hammock between 2 trees or even unique locations like a fire escape with minimal effort. Koala Tree, the brand name, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, eliminates the need for harsh chemicals and ensures the hammock is made with the most environmentally sound textile solutions. Therefore, it's safe for the environment and for everyone. That is awesome. This is such a good idea. And if you could see the picture of it there, that's like showing it hanging between 2 trees or something. So this is so cool for the outdoors person. Like maybe it can even be for you, but like your significant other, family member, father, any man in your life that's really into camping and stuff. This is such a good idea. I don't think I've even like heard of it or seen one like this before. Next up, looks like this is a cooling towel by McNett Tactical Cool Mesh Technology. This is what the packaging looks like. So it says this is lightweight, compact, and odor resistant. It is water activated cool mesh fabric that lowers to about 30 degrees below the body temperature. The towel fabric cools the temperature of your skin for up to 2 hours. There's special antimicrobial treatment that prevents odors. Mesh carrying pouch holds the towel or toiletries. And I think this is about 36 inches by 15 inches. Judging by the picture on the back, it's showing like a human and then the towel next to them. But this is cool. So if you're like out and about and you're getting really overheated and stuff, this can lower your body temperature by 30 degrees. That's crazy. Let's read about it. So this Gear Aid cooling towel is $18. It says, when the weather gets hotter, this cooling towel will be your great relief from the heat. It's designed with water-activated cool mesh technology. It works fast to help cool the body for up to 2 hours. Also, the silver ion antimicrobial treatment helps prevent odor so it stays fresh longer. This lightweight towel is easily packable with the included storage bag, so bringing it on the next mission or journey is hassle-free. This is such a great idea. I might have to keep this for myself because it gets like 100 degrees here in Florida all the time. What was the high today? I think today the high was like 85 and that seemed cool. But I don't know, maybe I'll be nice and give it all away. It looks like there's some bars in here, which, I like this brand a lot. This is the plant-based Vega sport protein bars. And this one is in crunchy peanut butter. These have a bunch of protein, so 20 grams of protein. And this is what the packaging looks like of this one. And then there's also the crispy mint chocolate flavor, which also has 20 grams of protein. These are great to keep with you on the go when you're in need of a snack, and the protein really will keep you going. So awesome. The 2 bars have a retail value of $5. It says, after you're hiking or just playing outside, you can treat yourself with bold tastes of chocolate-coated crunchy peanut butter and crispy mint chocolate flavors. The bars are non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, and have no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colors, and they are completely delicious. Each bar is 20 grams of plant-based protein and 3 grams of fiber. And then there's just like a little hashtag, or not hashtag, star that says, this product may contain nuts. Please read the label before consuming. And if you have any allergies, I advise always reading the label beforehand, but that's just a little disclaimer. Next up, what is this? There's something in a bag. Let's get this out of here. Oh, this is helpful for the spring and summer. Green Goo Natural Bug Spray, Bugs Be Gone. Pure essential oils that help keep away mosquitoes, flies, no-see-ums, and which are all over Florida, gnats, and it is DEET-free. Awesome. This is 4.5 ounces. Yeah, and this is made with like all essential oils, like it says. There's even some catnip in here. Should I spray this on my cats? No, I don't know. I'll look that up before I do. It says it does not contain petroleum, mineral oil, parabens, DEET, citronella. It's gluten-free. It says it's a unique and highly effective blend of carefully selected herbs and essential oils that help keep bugs away so you can play. Finally, an outdoor spray that works and is safe to spray directly on your skin. Great for all outdoor activities, hunters, and sports, safe for children and pets. Shake well before use. This is so awesome. A lot of those like heavy duty bug sprays are really bad for you. So this is something that will come in handy no matter who you are or where you are in the summer. Like the mosquitoes are out there, but it protects against all these other things, not even just mosquitoes. And it's good for you. You can put it directly on your skin. This is awesome. This is $12. And I think it says pretty much the same thing of what I said, but I'll just read it. This one sentence I think is different. It says this double protection not only smells good, but is a powerful herbal blend. So apparently it smells really good too. So that's an extra plus, because from my memory, I haven't used one of those like chemical type bug sprays in a while, but they don't like smell great, you know? So this is such a good idea. I'm so glad this is in the box. All right, there is one more item, and it is in a bag. Let me take it out. This is the Carabiner Survival EDC Carabiner, sorry. This is by Outdoor Element, patent pending, rated for 100 pounds here. Let me show you it and then I'll read about it, because I'll be honest, I am not an outdoor expert. So this looks like something like mountain climbers would use or something, but that's just me saying that. It holds 100 pounds. Yeah, here it says all this stuff on the back if you wanted to pause and read it, but let me see what it says on this sheet of paper, because this will be way more knowledgeable than me trying to just guess what this is. So it's a Survival Everyday Carry Carabiner by Outdoor Element. Is $15. Carabiner is a survival carabiner. I wish I knew how to speak well or pronounce things well. Maybe I'm right, let me know. That is as much for everyday use as it is for survival enhancement. Replaceable ferro rod and patent pending spark wheel help start fires easily. What? That's not even what I was thinking. Cool. Very strong stainless steel construction with 100-pound capacity. Extremely durable titanium coating, lightweight, only 1 ounce, safety blade, easily cuts paracord, fishing line, strings, and more, screwdriver tip for quick fixing, and hanging slots to connect your keys or other small items with an appropriate ring or clasp. Finally, a bottle opener for refreshment time. What? This thing is awesome! Okay, what was I talking about? I had no idea what it was. You can light fires. Oh yeah, I see the bottle opener now. You can do so many things with this. I went through a period, I'm still kind of into it, of learning survival techniques. This is so cool. So again, over here is the bottle opener part. Now I can see, and down here I think it's for the fire. Oh my god, I need to learn how to use all of this. I might have to keep this for myself instead of gift the whole box. Hopefully, I should give this to someone who's not watching my video. I can share. So now, okay, it says there's easily throw sparks and get your tinder ablaze. There's a safety utility blade. Oh yeah, there's a little knife right there in the bottle opener part. You can cut cord, fishing lines, seat belts. I have something like that, if you're ever in a car wreck and upside down, you can cut the seatbelt off. But I've always wondered if I'd be able to reach it, but see, that's how into the stuff I was in. Titanium coated stainless steel body, strong, reliable, corrosion resistant, lightweight. Yeah, I can attest to that part. Again, you can hang things on this part. Okay, it's all making more sense to me. Bottle opener, pop, fizz, happiness. Yeah. Stainless steel wire gate, great strength. This is hold 100 pounds. This is the coolest thing ever. It helps create fire. It's not a toy. Be responsible. Keep out of reach of small children. Not an issue. No kids here. This is so cool. How did I not know these existed? So that was everything in the outdoor box. So everything definitely fit the theme. I think this is awesome. So first we had this portable hammock, which is so convenient if you're into camping and all of that. The cooling towel, which I think that is so cool. If you're really overheated, this can drop your temperature by 30 degrees. And it's antimicrobial, so all the sweat and stuff. This is a great idea. Okay, I've tried these bars before. I don't know if I've tried this exact flavor of these, but they're very good, and I love the high protein content. 20 grams of protein, that is good and great thing to have on you when you're out camping, doing your thing outdoors. And this is the coolest thing I've ever heard of. It can do, this little thing can do all of those, the 10 things I was talking about. Oh my god, that is crazy. This is awesome. And then there's little replacement ferro rods. I think that has something to do with lighting the fire. I don't know. But I think this is so great. Wouldn't this be great as a Father's Day gift for the outdoors man? Or just any type of gift, because let's get real, guys are pretty hard to shop for sometimes. This is so awesome. I love this box. So you guys have to let me know your thoughts on this. Do you guys think this will make a good gift? Who should I gift it to? Is it, I might keep some stuff like I said. Oh, and the bug spray. This is what I'm probably the most excited about personally, because I'm keeping this. But I think this was so great. All of this together makes such a great gift. I keep repeating myself. I just am really impressed. I wouldn't think I would like a box geared for men so much, but I do. So yeah, leave your comments down below. Of course, I will leave the link along with the code to get 10% off. And I have a few giveaways going on, so definitely go down the description box and check those out if you have not yet entered. But anyways, I hope you are all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!